Good morning, students. Today, I am Rajen. Today, I will teach you about the permanent tissue. Just we have discussed in the last class about the supporting tissue, that is parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Today, we will have to discuss about the conducting tissue. Conducting tissue, what do you understand by the conducting? Conducting, the word means conducting. It is just transport any liquid material through a channel, that is known as conducting, and it is done with the help of xylem and phloem. Or you can say that the conducting tissue or the tissue which is responsible for the any conduction, that is known as xylem and phloem. Yes, we know that in the earlier classes, or the you can say that in the 6th or 7th or 5th, we know that what is the work of xylem and phloem. Xylem is responsible for the conducting of water and minerals, and phloem, what does phloem do? Phloem, the work of phloem is to transport the prepared food materials through all parts of the plant. But in the ninth class, we will have to discuss whose cells are responsible, which cells helps doing these works. Okay, that is xylem vessels. What does xylem vessels do in the xylem tissue? Xylem tracheids, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Yes, we will take later on one by one mainly the xylem vessels and tracheids. What is the work and function of the xylem vessels and tracheids is the conduction of water and minerals. Okay, it absorbs, conduct the water and minerals through the leaves, or where it is to be reached the water and minerals. Now, the third is xylem parenchyma. That means the main work or function of xylem parenchyma is to store the food material in the xylem. And the xylem fibers, what does the xylem fibers do actually? It supports mechanically, or you can say that it gives the mechanically support to the xylem for the conduction of water and minerals. Now, we know that the function, what the phloem functions, what does the phloem do? Mainly, if anyone can ask you what does phloem do, you can say that translocation. The word translocation means the conducting of prepared food materials through the leaves to the each and every parts of the plant. That is known as translocation, and it is done with the help of these cells. That is seed tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Mainly, I have left one thing in xylem is that xylem is mainly made up of dead cell, but there is xylem parenchyma. The third one is xylem parenchyma, which is living components or the living cells in the xylem. What did I say? In xylem, mainly the cells of xylem are made up of dead cells, but the xylem parenchyma is the living cells. And when we are talking about the phloem, mainly the phloem are made up of living cells. But in phloem, there is a phloem fibers. Phloem fibers is dead cells, which helps to mechanically support to conduct the prepared food to all parts of the plant. And same sieve tubes and companion cells, these tubes are elongated tube-like structures. This helps in conducting the food material from the leaves to the every part of the plants. Now, phloem parenchyma, what does the phloem parenchyma do actually? It also stores the food material, whatever prepared in the leaves, to be distributed in the each and every parts of the plant. Okay. Now, later on, I will just discuss you the yes. Now, the third one is protective tissue. Protective tissue consists of two parts. That is, first is epidermis and the second is core. Epidermis in plants, epidermis is the outermost parts of the plants, and it has the organic substances that is known as cutin, which helps to loss of transportation or the transpiration in plants. And apart from this, there is a wax. Wax is also found in the superficial parts of the plant that helps to part in the water. Now the second one is cork. Cork is a part of the plant. It is where just the cells which is becoming larger and larger, and just they are spending their times day by day, they just became the dead cells, and it is converted into the cork, or it is, you can say that it is just known as the bark, and in bark there is a cork is there. So it creates the, or you can save the mechanically strength of the plant also. That's all we will take later on in the diagrammatic representation. Okay.